We are looking at how to pronounce the name of these plant species from South America. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing names of different plants and food names in Spanish, so stay tuned until the end of the video to learn more pronunciation. So let's get down to the pronunciation. Ipecacuanha. Ipecacuanha. So you want to stress on that penultimate A syllable. Overall then, let's listen carefully to it again. Ipecacuanha. Yeah, it's easy. That's for Spanish. In English, you could say it as Ipecacuanha as well. That works. Spanish, Ipecacuanha. Now you know. More videos. We're here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. And thanks for watching.